अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज हम कायद-ए-आज़म द ग्रेट लीडर का एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, हु हैड पीपल बिकम होमलेस? पीपल हैड बिकम होमलेस व्हेन इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान बिकम अ सेपरेट कंट्रीज। Million of people migrated to their homeland, therefore they become homeless. Question number 2, why did the crowd roar in one voice Pakistan Zindabad? The crowd roared in one voice Pakistan Zindabad because they saw their great leader who had won Pakistan for them, the founder and the first Governor General for their new country. Question number 3. Describe the person who had come out of the aeroplane at Maripur, Karachi on 7th August. Answer. The first person who had come out of the aeroplane at Maripur, Karachi on August 7, 1947 was a tall and dignified man wearing a pure white sherwani. He was looking sober and serious. Why did the Qaid-e-Azam look satisfied? The answer is Qaid-e-Azam looked satisfied to know that the greater part of his work was done. His achievement of separate homeland for the Muslims of India unprecedented. He did his work for newly founded by the force of his firm determinants and leadership. Why did the Qaid-e-Azam tell about people the equal rights? Qaid-e-Azam told about people the equal rights. You are free to go to your temples, you are free to go to your mosque or any other place of worship in the state of Pakistan. You may belong to any religion or creed. We all are citizens of one state. Find a sentence from the text having cause and effect. People had become homeless when India and Pakistan became separate countries. People had become homeless. It is effect. When India and Pakistan become a separate countries, ये cause है. There was much in those days of violence to sadden Jinnah. To sadden Jinnah effect है. There was much in those days of violence. ये cause है. Identify a sentence from text expressing an opinion. Answer. Perhaps he was thinking of the thousands who were being attacked and killed on the road and railways as they tried to reach their homeland. अब आगे देखते हैं, choose the correct answer for the following. As he drove through the great sea of people that stretched from the airport to the city. In this sentence metaphor, sea of people conveys the ideas that a people were moving like waves of the sea. There was a very great number of people. People were standing in a large area of salty water. A large number of people gathered near the sea. The people were moving like waves of the sea. 2. As soon as he appeared, the whole crowd roared with one voice, Pakistan Zindabad. Using the comparison clue, the word roared in this sentence mean an angry voice, a long deep voice, an irritated voice, an annoyed voice, a long and deep voice. Through all the excitement of those first days in the life of the young nation, in this sentence the phrase young nation represent newly developed country, undeveloped country, not fully formed country and advanced country. Newly developed country. Qaid-e-Azam the man who had made it possible, remained calm, serious, and sober after independence because he was thinking of the million of people who had become homeless. He was thinking of ways to run the newly born nation. He was thinking about his own family and friends. He was thinking of the ways to accommodate millions of people. He was thinking of the millions of people who had become homeless. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was at this time tired and far from well. In this sentence, the phrase far from well refers to or ailing, bedridden or disabled, cruel or infirm, injured or hurt, ill or ailing. आगे देखते हैं words and sentences. Excitement, all the excitement of those first days in the life of the young nation. Ideal, Allama Muhammad Iqbal is my ideal. Worst, he fell headlong in the vast expanse of sea. Rarely, Quaid-e-Azam rarely shows his feelings. Unity, we should bring unity by ourselves. आगे देखते हैं words and antonyms. Serious, funny, violence, non-violence, weakness, strength, delight, sad, displeased, harmony, disharmony. Okay, fill the article a, an, or the where necessary insert x where no article is used. I like dash blue t-shirt over better than a red one. यहाँ पर द आएगा, यहाँ पर अ आएगा, दोनों आर्टिकल है. Their car does 150 miles an hour. Where's the USB drive I lent you last week? The. Do you still live in Banu? यहाँ पर कोई आर्टिकल यूज़ नहीं किया गया, यहाँ पर एक्स यूज़ होगा. Is your mother working in the old office building? The आर्टिकल है. ओके, आगे समरी देखते हैं. राइट डाउन द समरी ऑफ द लेसन. कायद द ग्रेट लीडर. Quaid-e-Azam reached Karachi on the 7th of August 1947. As soon as he stepped out of the aeroplane, a huge and excited crowd welcomed him. He was a man of great courage. He was a tall and dignified man. He became a Governor General of Pakistan. He got Pakistan for the Muslims of India, but yet he is not happy. He was thinking of the millions of people who had become homeless due to the separation of India and Pakistan. He addressed his people about equal rights, that they are free to go to their temples, mosque, or any other place of worship in the state of Pakistan. He was definitely reminding them the Prophet ﷺ teaching that all men are equal in the eyes of Allah.